So here I am to talk about today's trading recap. So I did not record it again, me live trading, but now I'll talk about again today's price section. So as you can see, I did not took a trade again. So let's talk about why. So in the pre-market, I was bearish for the day because here we had the sweep of the Asian high and here because we made a new all-time high and because we had already swept buy side liquidity. Here I was bearish for the day. We had already swept the high, so here I thought that all right, high swept, now we can drop a bit to grab sell side liquidity and then we can continue going higher. So that was my plan for the day. So I marked my levels. Here we have this 15 minutes bearish forward gap which is high, so this here could be a level that could give a bearish reaction. So I waited, then I did not saw any reaction. Here was another important level. Here we had um, a small reaction. As you can see, we reacted here, but then we just maintain structure and continue going higher. And here I also waited to see if the price would react after sweeping the London high. So here, as you can see, we swept the London high, and I just waited to see if I could find a short. Here we did not add any further gap. Here we had this very further gap. Here I almost entered the short. We had this good bearish reaction gone lower, but I was not very confident because at the same time we were very bullish and I needed good confirmations to take a short here. But for me it was a good place to take shorts. As you can see, all the weeks we swept the high, then we gone lower, swept the high again. So here could have been a place where we could see a big bearish reaction, but that was not the case, and I'm glad I did not took a short. So here we reclaimed the gap, reclaimed also this gap, gone lower here, mitigated, then continue going higher. And when we were here and after I saw this candle closure, I just said that alright, this is not a sweep, this is just a continuation higher, so I'll not wait for short. So today it was a good day to take longs, but I was bearish for the day. We had already swept this high, so it's part of my plan. But here the price, New York Open, gone lower here. We even, I think, we lost this 15 minutes bullish forward gap. No, we respected, I think, was the 5-minute one. So here we disrespected the gap. So here I expected that we would sweep this low, and after a sweep of this low, I would consider to take a long, but we did not add that sweep, and after that we just continue going higher. And it was not a day to take shorts, but I followed my strategy, I followed my bias, so I'm glad I did not took a trade, but at the same time I did not saw reason to take a short. The price did not give me any good reason here. I could have entered, but I was not very confident, so I just did not enter. So I think that I've already showed all the things that I wanted to. So if you liked the video, like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow for another trading recap.